How's everybody doing? So here's my research. 2 books, excellent books, Juno Beach by Mark Zelke and Terry Kopp, Fields of Fire. I recommend both these books if you want to get a grasp on the technical side in a sort of layman's view. This is excellent, Canadians in Normandy by Terry Kopp. And if you want a more personalized narrative of the landings and the experiences that the soldiers went through, Juno Beach by Mark Zelke is hard to beat, really. Okay, so those are the 2 books. And as most of you know, we have a huge book collection, right? For those of us that do this kind of work or participate in this hobby. So this is 4 months in. My budget was about 4 months for time, but I'm going to have to spend another month. I'm not going to quit now. So I'm not going to go this far and then, shortchange myself. So I do have a short list. That means I'm getting close. And when I scratch off all these, things like tools on the engine deck, vehicle scratches, sandy beach spots, antennas, cables, light bezels, paint and finish, Verlinden figurines. So I ordered this from Japan. This was the only figure that I could find that was suitable. So this is 120 millimeter. And as most of you know, I love the Verlinden stuff. That's what got me going when I was younger. Well, Shepherd Payne and Verlinden. This is a British soldier, but it doesn't take much to change it to convey a Canadian. And I'll cover a little bit of that, but I don't have a lot of time left and I want to move on. I have other projects I'm anxious to get to. However, I will cover that because there's about another month I have to go, give or take, in between tag teaming on a few other little projects. So this is going to be put together and painted to close that out. I think it should look pretty good. And yeah, almost there. So I'll be also downloading or uploading, publishing videos on the making of ammo boxes, the painting of the weapons. I might even cover the ladder, how I made that. Like, ladders are fun. They're easy to make and they look really good. And just a few other things to final. Okay? So I just want to say thanks to everyone that supports this channel, Boomer Diorama. It's just a great experience to be able to share the craft, to be encouraged, to inspire, to be encouraged as well by all your gracious comments. So all the best to you. I hope you have a great summer. Stay tuned. And for those of you that are not familiar with the channel, if you go to the home page, like videos, there's a whole series on this under playlists and videos. You can scroll back. There's about 36 episodes on the making of Juno Beach, okay? So once again, thank you all for participating and supporting the channel. Happy modeling, and I hope that you have a great day.